Many people chase quiet thinking they are chasing peace. Uh-huh. But quiet is external, the absence of noise, while peace is internal, the absence of conflict. You know, you can sit in silence and still feel chaos inside. Or you can be in a noisy environment and still be completely at peace. Huh? The confusion arises because silence can look like peace. But true peace has nothing to do with conditions. Huh? It is not found in the environment. It is cultivated in awareness. You know, quiet is circumstantial. It depends on surroundings. A calm room, a break from people, or even a moment without distraction. It gives temporary relief, but not lasting restoration. You know, peace, however, is unconditional. It is the ability to remain centered even when life gets loud. The problem is that many use quiet as an escape rather than a practice. They retreat from noise, not realizing that the real noise is internal. You know, overthinking, emotional unrest, unhealed memories, and even resistance to what is. You know, when people finally get quiet, they often feel uneasy because silence amplifies what they have avoided. They mistake that discomfort for losing peace. But it is actually the moment peace begins. When the internal noise surfaces to be understood. You know, true peace doesn't come from removing sound, but from resolving inner conflict. It is not the silence of the room, but the stillness of the soul. You know, psychologically, quiet offers sensory relief, while peace offers emotional regulation. Quiet suits the nervous system temporarily. Peace rewires it. Quiet can suppress triggers. Peace transforms them. You know, when people confuse the two, they chase environmental control, silence, solitude, distance. And they do this without addressing the root causes of unrest. True peace emerges from self-awareness. That is understanding your patterns, accepting your imperfections, and building emotional balance. The quiet mind is not one without thought. It is one where thought no longer controls you. You know, spiritually, quiet is the doorway. Peace is the home. Silence helps you hear the soul. But peace is the realization that the soul was never disturbed to begin with. It is the state of harmony with existence, where nothing external can shake your inner stillness. Peace transcends duality, noise and silence, joy and pain, because it rests in pure presence, not in conditions. You know, in short, quiet can be bought, but peace must be built. Silence calms the senses, while peace heals the self. The goal is not to find a silent world, but to carry stillness within one. You know, when the mind no longer reacts, even chaos sounds like calm. Because peace is not the absence of sound. It is the absence of struggle. My people, heal. Heal.